there is a lot of interest in Ayurveda now. A lot of people want to try Ayurvedic medicines, but I would like to mention like what exactly is Ayurvedic treatment, because sometimes people are a little bit afraid. They don't know what's going to happen. Also, many people have the opposite. They have a great expectation. They will come with very serious disease, very chronic disease, which they have been suffering for last 20 years. But when they come to us, they are thinking that I will cure just like that, as if I have a magic pill and I will give and they will be cured. But Ayurveda is also a medical system. In Ayurveda, we have a very nice way of diagnosis. When patient comes to us, we do proper examination. We do two types of examination. One is the examination of the disease. So, there is a complete history, chief complaints, past history, family history. We will ask about various systems, digestive system, elimination, sleep and mind and emotions and family and relations. We do all this questioning. We ask all this questions. Then we do some physical checkups. We check the pulse of the patient. We check the tongue. We are checking the eyes. We also try to find out what constitution, what prakriti, from where they come, what is their age, what kind of culture they have, what kind of food they have. This is quite detailed, trying to understand the proper disease. And of course, the second part is examination of the patient, as I said, the age of the patient, where is the patient coming from, what is the constitution of the patient. So, both disease examination and the patient examination. So, after all this, the Ayurvedic physician then decides, comes to a conclusion what is the root cause of the disease. So, that is where we come into Ayurvedic terminology, whether it is a Vata disease or a Pitta disease or Kapha, or it is a mixture of few. Where is the disease located in the body? Then coming to the treatment part, it is very interesting. We do two types of treatment. One is when we see that the disease is not very strong. So, we will take something natural, some herbs or some herbal mixtures or some decoctions, or maybe sometimes we make medicines from minerals also, natural minerals. So, we will make a personalized formula for the patient for that particular cause. Suppose somebody has too much pitta, means they have too much heat. So, I will take some amala or some other cooling herb and mix them and give it to the patient. This is the treatment which is internal, but then along with this, diet is very important, because I have to stop also all those things which will increase the pitta, which will increase the heat. So, we will tell them not to eat hot spices or anything which is very deep fried or acidic. So, diet plays an equally important role as medicines. Then another type of treatment we do when we see that there is a very serious chronic and the disease has manifested into deeper levels. So, we do the Panchakarma treatments. Panchakarma are the detoxification or the elimination therapy, where we prepare the patient for a particular cleaning technique. Either we do the cleaning by vomiting, or we do purgation, we do enemas, we also do some nasal administrations. So, these are various type of cleansing therapies where we clean the toxins or the cause of the body, cause of the disease is eliminated from the body. And after this, when we see that the patient is cleared of the problem, either through internal medicine or through the detoxification, then we do rejuvenation. Rejuvenation is also a very important part of Ayurvedic treatment, because we want to increase the immunity of the person, so that the disease does not come back again. And of course, when the patient is cured of the problem, we also suggest them to follow a particular lifestyle. Along with the medicines, we also sometimes advise them yoga, we advise them some breathing exercise, sometimes even meditation, or if the problem is more deeper level, we advise them some kind of energy work also. So, it is a combination of various things. It is very holistic, it is very easy to practice, it is without any side effects, and it is quite I would say most people say that it works slow, but it works very fast actually. If we do everything properly, it works very fast.